Everyone, and welcome to break 8300 for the 2021 Leaf Memories College Football Card Box. Want to thank everyone for getting the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Monday, December 5th. 2022. It's 10:30 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:30 p.m. Central Time, 8:30 p.m. Mountain Time, and 7:30 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Macwell 4 teams, JJ 1, Macwell 5, 73 2, Pack Ratton 1, CBD Cards 6, Clemmer 3, CH West and Hare with 1, Rich Ray 2 teams, CH West 1, Clemmer Collection with 5 teams. Let's randomize 7 times to determine those teams for the break. We have Clemmer Collection on top and on the bottom. Clemmer Collection with the Arizona Cardinals and Falcons, Macwell Ravens, Clemmer Bills, CBD Cards Panthers, CH West Bears, CBD Cards Bengals, JJ with the Browns, Macwell Cowboys Broncos, CBD Cards Lions, 73 with the Packers, CBD Cards Texans, Clemmer Colts, and with the Jaguars, Pack Ratton Chiefs, CH West Raiders, CBD Cards Chargers, Rich Ray Rams Dolphins, Macwell Vikings, Clemmer Patriots Saints, 73 Giants, Macwell Jets, CBD Cards Eagles, Macwell Steelers 49ers, Clemmer Seahawks, Macwell Buccaneers Titans, and last but not least, Clemmer with Washington. Alright, let's see what we have here. Alright, so there we are. Alright. And then we'll do our best to not stab ourselves with the cards. Beautiful. Empty nothing. Alright, let's see what we have here. Start with a Travis Dye. So again, we'll look up each card. Some might still be in college. We'll randomize those. Otherwise, they'll go to their current team. That's simple. Tyler Show, 30 out of 50. Jacob Copeland, 28 out of 39. Zay Flowers, 70 out of 99. That said Antonio Brown. Anthony Brown, 33 out of 35. Michael Trigg, 22 out of 30. last but not least, Matt Corral, 27 out of 30. Cool. So let's go back through and see who is getting what. Start with Michael Trigg. So it looks like he's going to be our first one we're going to randomize. Still in college. That's all right. We'll come over here and randomize everybody. This should happen at least a few times. All right, Clemmer Collection. What I meant to do. Clemmer with Trigg. Anthony Brown Jr. Anthony Brown Jr. We're going to need him with Lamar going down. Baltimore Ravens going to Macwell. Congrats. Brett Hundley's the backup though, right? Zay Flowers. I can spell his name right. So he's still at Boston College, so we'll randomize Zay as well. JJ. Congrats. Jacob Copeland. Maryland Terps. Once, twice, three times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7. Lucky number 7, Clemmer. If I could talk over here. Tyler Show. Quarterback for Texas Tech. Siesta Key. Congrats, Tyler. I'd like to go to Siesta Key. Nice place. Travis Dye. We got a bunch in this one. That, oh, there we go. That USC game, he balled out for USC this year. But here, I'm going to randomize everybody again. Once, twice, three times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7, Rich Ray has joined the party. Travis Dye. So then last but not least, who has Matt Corral? Who has Matt Corral and the Carolina Panthers cutting? Imagine if he didn't get hurt. Baker Mayfield. CBD cards. Congrats. Baker Mayfield being cut, that is. So that was break 8,300 in the 2021 Leaf Memories College Football Card Box. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. Hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the final spot in bonus 177, and then we'll have bonus 177. Thanks.